कोमुनदादींच्या जमनींच्या स्कॅमांची सरकारान दखल घेतल्या। आपल्या फाटल्या 1 वर्साच्या कार्यकाळात नजरेक आयिल्ल्या कोमुनदादींच्या बेकायदेशीर गजालींचेर ॲक्शन सुरू आसा म्हूण रेव्हेन्यू मंत्री सांगता। कोमुनदादींनी असल्या तरेचे वेव्हार चल्ल्यात जाल्यार खंय सरकाराच्या नजरेक हाडून दिवचे।
See, first and foremost, Communidade are self-governing bodies. They are responsible for the Code of Communidade. Because of a lot of issues, we are looking at amending the Code of Communidade, which may be coming in the forthcoming assembly session. A lot of work has been done to understand what is the role. It is a misunderstanding that खंय illegality Communidade चलता, government has to act आणि कशें जाता the system with the Panchayat Act in one place. So Communidade जे चलता, which is normally governed by the Code of Communidade, I think government intervention also is required, which will be done by due amendments in the forthcoming assembly. This is one. And illegality खातीर this government सारको clear आसा कि if illegalities are there, brought to the note of the represented well and given to the government, I think government is already acting and will act. This type of mushrooming of illegalities will be dealt with a very strong hand. Whatever things have come in my 1 year's term, whether it was Kolwale, whether it was Pademol, I think actions have already been initiated and actions have been taken to a logical end with the due part of the collector's office or the police or the Code of Communidade pramane respective administrator, they have been acting on it. I only expect cooperation of the Communidades when it comes to illegality not to be in connivance. ताज्या खातीर खुबश्यो गोष्टी एकदा अडकता and the rules of the land are such की stay comes and everything is on a hold. So ताज्या खातीर the government's approach to illegality is to deal with quite a strong hand, and I think we have started.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस।